If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy A27 to your PC, and if you want to transfer data, then in that case the best way to do so is by simply using a USB cable. So you can connect your phone to your computer via USB cable. You can of course use the original cable if it fits both your phone and your computer. And then you should be able to access the storage on your computer. But first, before you can actually do that, you might need to go to Notifications. And over here we have USB for charging phone. And you can tap on that notification in order to switch from charging to transferring files / Android Auto. And you might need to verify yourself with the fingerprint or with the screen lock password. And there we go. Now, once you open your computer, you should be able to find your A27. You can just go over here and you should be able to find the internal storage, for example, and all of the files that you have on your phone, and you should be able to locate them quite easily. You can, for example, go to the camera folder in order to find every photo and video that you took, and you can just transfer that onto your PC, or you can transfer something from your PC to your phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.